Describe the rotation that maps the object to its image. So the object B, after a rotation, the image is here. To describe a rotation, we must find out the center, the direction, and the angle of rotation. First, what you can do is you find out a point, you select a point from the object. If I select this point, then you have to connect it to the corresponding point of the image. So look at the shape. If I select this point, for this shape, the point is here. This is the corresponding point. And you connect it. Connect it, draw a line. And draw a perpendicular bisector for this line. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector of the line, and you have to select another point. And here I select another point. I can select this point. The corresponding point is at here. For the same thing, I have to draw a perpendicular bisector for this line. So for this line, the perpendicular bisector is this. And you can see the cross section between the two perpendicular bisector. So this one of the perpendicular bisector, this another perpendicular bisector, and the point of intersection, which is at here. This is the center of rotation. So the center of rotation is here. We can label it as O. We name it as center of rotation. And to find out the angle and direction of rotation, okay, we can connect a line to the point. So in here, from the object, I select a point as well. So if I select this point, I connect a line, and I find out the corresponding point in this image. The corresponding point will be here. So you can see the distance from the point, from the center of rotation to the object is same as the distance from the center of rotation to the image. So the same, and the direction of rotation, you can see this line rotate here. So this is the clockwise, and the angle is 90 degrees. So you can describe the rotation. First thing, you can say center. This is the center of rotation. So write down, this is the center of rotation and the angle of rotation is 90 degrees, so it is 90 degrees, and this way is clockwise, 90 degrees clockwise. That means from this object, the whole object rotate 90 degrees clockwise and become the image.